Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting your account ready, sign up, confirm your email, and enable 2FA for security. Once done, upload a clear headshot and a valid ID that matches your display name. This avoids verification delays. Make sure to select your primary language and any accent proficiencies, and list tools you use, like foot pedals or noise-canceling headphones. These steps reduce friction later, so you can start taking tests and jobs immediately. You now focus on the core, passing Rev's transcription test. Read the formatting guide carefully because Rev enforces timestamps, speaker labels, and verbatim versus cleanup rules. Practice with 1 to 3 real audio samples to tune your pacing and punctuation choices. This is why testers include messy audio. Once comfortable, submit your exam and review any failed sections to correct recurring errors. Doing this systematically improves accuracy and raises your approval chances quickly. You finish by taking actual jobs, start with short files to build a positive history, and track both turnaround and error rate. Use playback speed adjustments, timestamps, and a foot pedal to increase throughput without sacrificing accuracy. If a submission is rejected, read the feedback carefully, fix the specific issues, and resubmit where allowed. If problems persist, contact support with screenshots. This final loop, work, review, improve, keeps your approval rate high and unlocks better paying files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.